Have you ever noticed a buzzing sound coming from your laptop? It's not just annoying, it could be a sign of a failing hard drive. This noise often indicates that the read-write heads are struggling to access data, which can lead to data loss. If you hear that buzzing, don't ignore it. Back up your files immediately and seek professional help. Ignoring the problem can lead to a complete hard drive failure. For any laptop issues, including those pesky buzzing sounds, call Sai Laptop Service at 910-972-447766. Don't wait until it's too late.